Proving that Chad snores. Take one. Chad, do you realize that you're snoring right now? Do you? Snore once if you... Okay. That's once? That once again? Okay. Oh, I thought he was done snoring. No? Okay. Alright. So I stay awake then? Okay. Oh. Ooh. I think that was a snore. I thought I heard it come from that end. Right, Chad? Yes? Okay. Zoom in on the time. Chad? Chad, can I get you something while I'm up? Because, you know, I can't really sleep. Okay. Once, but no. Oh, okay, no. Alrighty then. I'll just go stare out the window and try to count some cars. Maybe it'll make me sleep easier. Do you agree with that snore? Okay.